Welcome to our channel, my dear students. Thank you for 3000 subscribers. So, my dear students, I would like to tell you one small thing which will take you to the root of success. What is that? You should have a very strong desire to achieve success. And you have to prepare one affirmation. Always in 24 hours, I think I am daily telling 10,000 times that I want to help students. I want to help students with short tricks. I want to help the students of this world with my short tricks. So this affirmation I will repeat daily so that my mind gets programmed to think about short tricks. So similarly, you have to tell the affirmations that I have to achieve the success. I have to achieve the success in JEE Mains. I have to achieve the success in Neet. You have to repeat it so that your mind gets programmed. My dear students, mind is a software and your self-talk is a program. So if you want to program your mind, which is just like a supercomputer, you have to continuously give a self-talk to yourself that I want to achieve that success. At any cost, I have to achieve it. So this type of self-talk will take you to the direction of your success. See, mind is just like ballistic missile, which is well-programmed missile. Whatever the direction, whatever the affirmation you give, it will pierce in that direction and take to you towards the success. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.